Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best place for you to be if you want to build or grow your business online. I'm Tejal Chopra, an ex-Amazon manager turned full-time online marketing strategist and the founder of the Biz Code. And today I'm going to help you build a successful portfolio which lands your dream clients. So if you're a freelancer, yes, any kind of freelancer, social media marketer, social media manager, digital marketer, content writer, copywriter, graphic designer, so on and so forth. So if you freelance, this video is for you, so don't go anywhere. We are going to talk about building you a super successful portfolio. It is going to help you close and convert clients like this. So before getting into the exact things that need to go in your portfolio, I want to clarify this first. I get a lot of questions around whether your portfolio should be in the form of a website or a PDF would do. So I want to tell you that when you're starting your journey, it's okay to start with a simple PDF instead of getting into the tech burden of creating a website. Once you build your first version of a portfolio, you work on making it better by working with different kind of clients, and once you've had a successful portfolio, been utilized, been able to close different kind of clients, then you can transform it into a website. Till then, you do not need to get into all the technical hassle of building a website, and you can simply go on canva.com and create a free portfolio that is a beautifully designed portfolio there using Canva templates for free. So I'm putting the link of this free tool called Canva in my description below. So after you watch this video, you can go there. It'll take you just 60 to maximum 90 minutes to create the first version of your portfolio, or if you already have a portfolio, it'll take you max 35 to 45 minutes to make any changes as per what I'm going to suggest in today's video to make it even more effective. That is the first thing that I wanted to answer. The second thing that I want to answer is what should be the length of a portfolio. That is, how many pages is too many pages. I would say 8 to 10 pages of just the right kind of information is enough. If you have more screenshots, more case studies that make it more impactful, then it's okay to increase by 2 or 3 pages. But having a super long portfolio is not of any use. We do not want to make it too time consuming. Remember, you are going to work with a business, and a business owner is busy. So you need to give them just what they need to ensure they want to work with you. So with that, let's get into what needs to go into your high converting portfolio. Are you ready? Well, I'm ready. Let's get right to it. So the first page is the cover page, wherein you need to ensure that the name of your business as well as the mission of your business is right there. Now the mission is not something that is compulsory for you to have there. If you're just starting out as a freelancer and are not very clear on what your end vision or mission is, it's completely fine. Just ensure that your name or your company's name is right there in the first page. In case you do not have a business name for now, you can go with your own name as well. So it can be Tejal Chopra's portfolio if I want to use my own name, or it can be the Biz Code's portfolio if I want to use the company's name. We come to the second page, which is where you need to tell them about who you are, because when you are starting out as a freelancer, they do not need to know about the minute details of your company, because you are in process of setting that up right now. All your business is you. So tell them about you, your skill set, and why should they work with you. So ensure that you mention all the important things about you there. And the other thing that you need to have there is a picture of your own self. If you're putting up your picture there, the chances of conversion increase a lot, because the person gets to see the person they're going to work with, and that is a huge trust factor and a decision making point in their subconscious. Having that picture there definitely positively impacts their decision. So it's better you have a clear picture, smiling picture of you looking into the camera directly. As you can see, the kind of image that's coming to you right now in the video is well and good. So you can have a half body image, you can have a closer image, but just ensure it's clear, it's not a selfie, it's from the back camera, and that is all is needed for this page. Now on the third page, you mention the list of services you provide. Either list them down one by one, or if you have certain packages that are already made, you can mention those packages and mention a basic average pricing there as well. If you do not know the exact pricing you want to quote because you want to know their requirements first, and you do proposals based on custom pricing, then it's good to give them the idea of a range than being super specific about it. If you work with clients based on their custom requirements, you might need to design a proposal for them, so that's okay. Now next few pages, that is next 2 to 3 pages, I would recommend that you have good client case studies. That is, if this is a client A, what was their goal when they came to us? What did we do? How did we do it? That is with screenshots and the kind of results we were able to get from them. After you've done these 3-4 things for that client, if you have that client's testimonial as a video or written content, put it up there. So you can have it flow in this format. That is, what was the goal, what did you do, what was your plan, what was your result. Showcase the screenshots of things you've created along the way. So if you're a social media marketer or manager, the kind of layout you had in mind for their feed and what were you able to create, you could show visual descriptions of it. So with every client, 1 or 2 pages of this content is good, and you can pick up your 2 to 3 best case studies and show it in 3 to 4 pages. Now this is based on the top services you provide and you want your clients to know about it, or based on the prospect you're going to send this portfolio to. If you are a noob who's not worked with any client till date, I would suggest you start working with people on a free trial basis or a low cost trial basis, or even you can help your friend with some sort of business they are running by providing some of the services for them at a lower cost or for free for a few days to get results from them. Either this is a way in which you can go, or you can look for beta clients. Again, you can say that you want a testimonial or a case study from the work that you're going to do for them for the next 15 days. By this, you will be able to generate some results, have some good screenshots to put in your case studies, and at the same time they are getting that service done from you. So it'll be a win-win situation, and you'll be able to get these first few case studies which will lead you to get more clients. But if you're starting right now, work with a few people at a lower cost as beta clients and bring them results and use those case studies and testimonials. Do clarify and mention to them when you're chatting that this is something they need to definitely give, and as in that will be a deliverable from their end. So once you're done with the best case studies, now you can put in screenshots of the work you've done. Even if you've done some work for your own self, that is you've built your social media profile, you've written content for your own profiles, you've done graphic design, you've done some other work, or you've just practiced graphics on Canva, say when you were starting out, now you can use the next 2 to 3 pages to put screenshots of the different kind of work you've done, whether it's for clients, whether it's for your own self, whether it's for practice. The work that you've done, you can showcase it to them, because when you're starting out, you might not have a lot of case studies, as well as you might not have very powerful case studies, but you will have done this practice work which will work for you in this case in your portfolio. But I would recommend, once you start working with a good number of clients and you have the top performing case studies, you can put more case studies instead of a lot of work you've done, because by then you'll have done a lot of work. So if you ask me how are these two things different, that is the case study and the work you've done. Case study is basically showing everything from the goal to the result to the experience of the client working with you, and these things, that is the work you've done across in practice and otherwise, shows the clients your skill set and what all are you able to do. For example, in my portfolios as a digital marketing strategist, I work with a lot of clients on sales funnels and Facebook ads. So I put in screenshots of their ad copy, screenshots of the results that we got from those ads, with the cost per lead, with the cost per purchase, right there in the case study. And when I was showing them just the work, I had screenshots of the ad graphics we created, links leading to the ad videos we made, and at the same time of the ad copies we created or the sales funnel copy we wrote. So basically this is the work that we wanted to showcase in our portfolio. Now towards the end, your page 9 or 10, you can basically put up one page which has a lot of screenshots of the feedback you've gotten from your clients. So now these are random testimonials you've gotten from your clients. They might not be in a very structured or case study way, but you want to showcase the kind of love, the kind of experience people have while working with you, because this is something you want to create in their mind, that they should not miss this opportunity, because not only will they get amazing results, they'll have an amazing time working with you. So both of those things, when they come together, they create a desire in the client to work with you. In case you have fewer case studies, you can have more of the showcasing your work as well as the testimonials pages. But in case you have some pages filled with case studies, you have lesser pages available, then you should not by all means go above and beyond and let your portfolio flow to 20 pages. That should not be the case. So keep it concise, keep it scannable, and make this decision based on how many case studies, how many testimonials, how many clients you've worked with. But then again, have at least one page filled with this client love, because this is something you need to showcase to your prospective clients. If you've not worked with a lot of clients, with all those beta client experiences you had, or all the people you helped in your DMs or in the comments section, take their feedback and put it up here. But your future clients or your prospective clients need to see the kind of experience people have working with you. Okay, moving on to the last page of your portfolio, you need to have a very clear, concise call to action. That is, what is it that people can do to get in touch with you? Do not have multiple things out there. Just have one call booking link in case you want them to schedule a discovery call or a free strategy call with you. You can use Calendly or you can use Acuity. Again, I'm going to put up both of those links in the description. You can use any of these tools to do that. Or in case you want them to reach out to you via a phone number, you can mention the phone number and email there. Don't give them too many actions to take. That is, go to my social profile, go to this, do this. Give them one simple action you want them to take. Why am I asking you to even put an email with it is because some people might not be comfortable in directly picking up and calling. Instead, they would want to write to you. And specifically, if you're working with clients abroad, it might not be possible because of the time differences, because of the kind of cellular networks. Simply say, go to this link and book a free call, and below in the footer you can have that your email ID is so and so. Now I would suggest that immediately after watching this video, stop wasting any more time and instead go to Canva. The link is in the description. Go there, choose a template and start designing your very own successful portfolio. You can do it either in a portrait format. I personally had a portfolio which was a portrait A4 on Canva. So when you go to Canva, you can click on create and there you can choose an A4 size template to begin with. Or you can do a landscape portfolio, which is a presentation size 16:9 portfolio. The dimensions of this are 1920 into 1080 pixel. You don't have to type in anything. You just go to Canva, go to templates and then choose a presentation template to make a landscape portfolio. And similarly for a portrait one, choose A4, the dimensions of which are 21 cross 29.7 centimeter. So that is all you need to do. Once you have your portfolio done and dusted, you can share it with me on Instagram @thebizcode_ to get feedback from me and my team on the same. Once you're done with creating the perfect portfolio, what is next? You want to use this portfolio to get more and more ideal clients, right? So next week, I'm going to cover exactly that in my next YouTube video. Ensure you turn on the notifications right now and stay tuned for that. Till then, watch these amazing videos I have already created for you and I will see you. Have a great day.